Most people reinstall Steam when they see error E20. That's the worst fix. Here is the smarter way. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Steam Error Code E20 has been tripping up gamers for years. But here is the truth. It's not your hardware and it's not the end of your library. Here is what you actually need to do. Method 1. Clear Steam cache. Whenever you download anything in Steam, it is stored in the Steam download cache. These downloaded files are stored there until they are installed. If some of these files are missing or get corrupted, then also you can get the Steam error message. So, clear the Steam download cache and check if this helps. Open Steam as an administrator. Click on the Steam tab and choose Settings. From Steam Settings, open the Downloads tab. Click on Clear Download Cache. Confirm by clicking on the OK button. Wait till the process is complete. Now close all the Steam-related processes from the Task Manager. To do that, right-click on Windows Start button and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on each Steam-related process. Select the End Task option. Once terminated all the Steam-related tasks, restart Steam as an admin and check if the problem is resolved. Method 2. Close the background apps. When your apps open in the background conflict with Steam, you may encounter these types of errors. The background apps may have problems with the network or other files. After you have finished, close the window and exit apps such as Google Drive, Skype that consume internet consumption. Method 3. Restart or power cycle the internet router. If the issue is occurring due to network-related problems, then power cycling the router can help resolve it. Here is how to do so. Unplug the power cord of your internet router and then leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then plug in back the power cord. After you get internet access, launch your Steam. Now check if the problem is resolved this way. Method 4. Disable add-ons. Add-ons can sometimes interfere with your Steam client. This restricts the features to work properly. Disabling these add-ons often helped to resolve the problem instantly. So here is how to disable ad blocker add-on for the respective browsers. Microsoft Edge. For Microsoft Edge, go to Settings, Option first and then select Open Menu. Now select Extensions and next hit Manage Extensions. Then disable to turn off the extension. Check by running your Steam client. Firefox, go to Menu and from the provided list, go to Extensions and Themes section. Now hover the pointer and disable the add-on. Chrome, from the menu option, select Extensions and then Manage Extensions. Then disable the add-on to turn the extension off. Method 5. Disable proxy servers. The next thing you can try is disabling the proxy server. Enter Internet Options in the search menu and open the top option. Go to the Connections tab and click on LAN Settings. Find and uncheck the box attached to Use proxy servers for your LAN option. Click on OK to save the changes. Method 6. Flush DNS and reset winsock. Flushing the DNS will clear all the DNS cache. You can also reset the network settings. If Steam cannot connect to the server due to network-related issues, then this should fix the problem. Here is how to do so. Open an elevated command prompt window. Copy and paste these commands in the elevated command prompt window. Press the Enter button after each command. Once done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Method 7. Update the network drivers. Outdated drivers can lead to connectivity issues while playing games on Steam. So you can update the network drivers and see if this can fix the issue. To do so, open Device Manager using Windows Search. Head to the Network Adapter section and expand it. Right-click on your network adapter and select the Update Driver option. Choose Search automatically for the drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 8. Change DNS. You can also try changing the DNS and see if this can help. To change DNS, type Control Panel in the Windows search box and choose the first option. Next, set the View by option to small or large icons, select Network and Sharing Center. Now select your internet connection next to Connections, then open its properties. Or you can select Change Adapter Settings, then right-click on your internet connection and select its properties. Search for Internet Protocol version 4, right-click on it and open its properties. Set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and save the changes. You can also switch to the Cloudflare DNS server. For that, set the preferred DNS server address to 1.1.1.1 and the alternate DNS server address to 1.0.0.1. To save the changes, click on OK. Once done, restart your PC. Once the PC restarts, relaunch the game and see if the issue is fixed. Method 9. Perform a clean reinstall of Steam. If the methods shown previously could not fix the issue, then reinstall your Steam client. Here is how to do so. Open Settings, then select Apps, then Installed Apps, and then select Find Steam in the list and uninstall it. After uninstalling, reinstall Steam from the official website. And that wraps it up. Steam Error E20 isn't the end of your gaming session. It's just another hurdle you know now how to clear. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe for more veteran-tested solutions, and share your own Steam error stories in the comments, because your experience might be the key that helps someone else. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.